It's been a busy couple of weeks for NYSE-listed quantum company D-Wave. Last week, they hosted their annual Qubits conference in Boca Raton, Florida, and announced major news, including a $20 million sale to Florida Atlantic University. Joining me now is Dr. Alan Baratz. He's CEO and president of D-Wave. Dr. Baratz, welcome.
Thank you, Ashley. It's a pleasure to speak with you this morning.
So good to see you again. You held your annual Qubits user conference last week in Florida, and you also made multiple announcements. Can you share the details?
Yeah, it's been an amazing start to 2026 for D-Wave Quantum. In just the first month of this year, we announced $30 million in new bookings. That includes a $10 million quantum compute as a service enterprise deal with a Fortune 100 company. So this is pretty much pursuing multiple applications for that company over the next 2 years. We announced a $20 million system sale to Florida Atlantic University. We announced our partnership with Anduril and Davidson for national defense applications, the first one in the area of missile defense. We announced earlier in the month the acquisition of Quantum Circuits, which brings to us groundbreaking transformational gate model technology, accelerating our gate model program alongside our already award-winning annealing quantum computing systems. And we announced that we're opening a new R&D center in Boca Raton, Florida, alongside our new corporate headquarters. So it's been a really exciting first month for the company.
Congratulations. And how has quantum evolved in the past year? It sounds like there's a lot of investment in the space. And what are some use cases for the technology that you're providing these partners that you're working with?
Yeah, so D-Wave is actually quite unique in the quantum space in that we are the only quantum computing company that has businesses using our quantum computers as a part of their business operations on a daily basis. So, for example, one of the largest international airline carriers is a customer of ours. One of the largest chemical companies is a customer of ours. One of the largest healthcare companies is a customer of ours. And we are working with them on a broad array of applications that generally fall into the category of business optimization. So these include things like workforce scheduling or pricing or optimizing operations on a manufacturing plant floor. And our quantum computers are very, very good at solving these hard computational problems.
And I understand D-Wave is dual platform. Can you explain what that means?
Yeah, so there are two primary approaches to quantum computing. One is called gate model, and the other is called annealing. And each of these approaches is good at different types of problems. Annealing is very good at solving business optimization problems, the sorts of applications I talked about a few minutes ago, whereas gate model is not so good at solving those problems. Gate model is very good at solving problems like quantum chemistry for drug design or computational fluid dynamics, global weather modeling. So different applications require these different approaches to quantum. D-Wave is the only dual platform quantum company in the world. We're the only company pursuing both annealing and gate. Our annealing quantum computers are commercial today, in use by customers. We will have our first gate model quantum computer in the market this year, thanks to the acquisition of Quantum Circuits. And that really puts us at the forefront of quantum computing.
And Dr. Baratz, of course, we hear about AI all the time. It's always in the headlines, always in the news. Do you think people are going to be talking about quantum as much as they talk about AI in the next year or so?
I know they will. And the reason why is that we are transitioning from primarily research experimentation to commercial use of quantum computers. Now, that's something that I, as the CEO of D-Wave, can say with confidence because our quantum computers are making that transition today. I mean, that $10 million enterprise site license is revolutionary for the quantum industry. Think about it. This is a Fortune 100 company that saw so much value in the first application we developed with them that they are paying $10 million over 2 years to develop and deploy a collection of additional applications. This is that watershed moment, and we're quite excited about it.
All right, congratulations on all of your news, and thank you, Dr. Alan Baratz, CEO and President of D-Wave, for joining us.
Thank you. Pleasure to be here.